In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. Here's the plan. We'll start in your browser, make sure you're set up with the right Google account, then connect that account directly inside Notion so you can browse Drive without leaving your page. This keeps your docs, slides, and sheets only a click away while you work in Notion. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. This quick stop helps ensure you're already signed in to the Google account that holds the files you want to use. If you work with multiple accounts, double-check you're on the correct one to avoid permission hiccups later. With that confirmed, go to Notion. Inside Notion, look toward the top of your workspace and click the pencil icon to create a new page. Give this page a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later, something like Project Resources or Team Drive Hub. A good title keeps your workspace tidy and makes search results more useful. Click into the body of the page. Type a / and then start typing Google Drive. The / command is Notion's shortcut to insert blocks and integrations. As you type, the list narrows. When you see the Google Drive option, select it. A small panel will appear with options. Choose Browse Google Drive. Since this is your first time, Notion will prompt you to connect a Google account. Click Connect Google Account. When your browser shows the list of Google accounts, pick the one that contains the Drive files you plan to use with this page or your workspace. Next, click Continue to move through the connection flow. You'll be asked to select the access level for Notion. Choose the appropriate access your workflow requires, then click Continue again. As a best practice, grant only what you need for your use case, especially if you're working in a shared environment. Once connected, the Google Drive picker loads right inside Notion. That means your folders and files are visible from within the page and the integration is active. From now on, whenever you insert the Google Drive block and browse, you'll see your Drive content ready to reference or preview, all without switching tabs. To recap, start in Google to confirm the right account. Open Notion and create a new page. Title it clearly. Use the / command to find the Google Drive block. Click Browse Google Drive. Connect your Google account. Choose it. Continue. Set the access level and continue once more. With that, your Notion page and Google Drive are linked, streamlining how you organize and access your work.